While you're watching tutorials, others are making $200 a day with AI. Here's how. You see the AI success stories everywhere, but every time you try to start, you hit the same walls. Complicated tech, confusing funnels, courses that teach everything except how to actually make money. Meanwhile, people with zero experience are using ChatGPT to write content, create products, and offer services. They're not smarter than you, they just have the right system. AI Hustle Secrets gives you plug-and-play systems that work. No coding, no funnels, no guesswork, just copy, paste, and profit. Freelance writing that pays $50 to $100 per piece. Digital products that sell while you sleep. VA services powered by AI automation. Plus, the exact prompts and workflows that do 80% of the work for you. The AI opportunity window is closing fast. Every day you wait, you're falling further behind people who started yesterday. Click the link below to get AI Hustle Secrets now. Stop watching, start earning your $200 a day AI business.